This is Dale Anderson from Fabric Invest. I hope you're keeping well today. Just wanted to update you. We received the latest Zoopla UK House Price Index. We just wanted to share some of that information with you. So I'll just share screen. So I hope you can see that. I just wanted to run through the index. This was published on the 27th of July. And what we're seeing is basically continued shortage of supply in the market. House prices have now gone up 5.4% this year, and buyer demand has fallen from record levels earlier this year, but we're still up 80% compared to 2017 and 2019. So demand dipped by 9%, obviously after the stamp duty holiday ended, but prices of homes continue to rise with strong growth of up to 5.4% in June alone. So we're seeing a lot of movements in the market, a lot of demand and a shortage of supply. People also looking for space. That's a driving factor, moving out of the city centres, maybe of London, looking where they can get better value for money and more space at a better price. So lots of activity in the market. UK house price inflation at 5.4%. Prices are being pushed upwards by particularly strong growth in Wales and the northwest of England, which had 8.4% and 7.3% respectively. So a lot of movement in Liverpool, 8.9%, Manchester, 7.4%. And these are seeing some of the highest levels of house price growth amongst the UK's largest cities. So people looking up north rather than south. So we just have a look here, robust demand, plus 80% buy demand. The economy is opening up. People have now been vaccinated across the UK. So we're seeing movement. People are able to now do home inspections and site visits for property. Again, low mortgage rates. So interest rates are really still low. Nationwide launching its first sub -1% 5-year mortgage deal this month. So people looking to borrow, it's a great time to leverage. Naturally, this isn't going to stay the same over the course of the next few years. And I do expect interest rates will rise. So really good time to fix in your interest and get a really fantastic deal on low borrowing rates. In terms of search for space, again, 7.3% rise in the price of houses compared to flats. There's still a good demand for flats because of affordability, but certainly a lot of people are looking now for that extra space following the pandemic. So strong demand, prices continue to rise. London is very polarized, very slow growth there compared to the rest of the country. Again, that's due to maybe people wanting to move out of the congested city centres, get more space. And for buy-to-let investors, naturally, they're getting better yield, rental yield. In London, they're getting maybe 2-3%. They can go up north to Manchester or Liverpool, where they're looking at sort of 5-6% rental yields. So big sort of disparity between London and the north. And that's why we tend to focus on areas such as Manchester and Liverpool, Leeds, Sheffield, and these kind of locations where we feel there's better potential for growth. So outlook demand is moderating from a record high levels earlier in the year, but significantly up from typical levels. So we can expect continued activity levels now that the UK has opened up and people start to travel soon again as well. And yes, demand for houses is outstripping demand for apartments. Nonetheless, still very good demand for apartments up north. And just to check the map, this is what's currently going on in the market. Just zoom in there. As you can see, Liverpool number 1 at 8.9%, Manchester at 7.4%, Sheffield 7%, Nottingham 6.9% this year alone. So we're seeing some very strong house price growth in the northwest and the Midlands. So lots going on there, and we'll keep you updated. I'll be producing these videos every month when the reports come out. We hope you find them useful. And yes, we are able to provide you with this information as well. Just make an inquiry. We'll put you in touch with one of our senior consultants, and they'll be more than glad to guide you through the process and show you some of the potential opportunities we currently have in these cities such as Liverpool and Manchester. So thanks for your time and have a great day. Take care.